Well, this afternoon we've been invited along to Povey's Oat Cakes, and we're going to find out a little bit more about how oat cakes are made. We're going to meet Alex Povey. He's a good guy.
B-roll.
Povey's Oat Cakes. I've already...
I put my dad in charge at the time and bloody battery's gone. Battery's gone since Brexit, cool.
Right, so guided tour of Povey's Oat Cakes.
Yeah.
Show me.
Yeah.
Off we go. Here we go.
Off, get dressed up.
Do I need any kit?
We'll get you some.
Okay.
Yeah?
Do I have to wash me up?
Yeah. Wash your hands. Then we'll... Stick in here.
Where is it? Oh, right, I see.
Pick that.
Why are we wearing...
Protective, because we're on outdoor clothing. This is for indoor. When we deal with food, we don't want to contaminate.
Okay, show me.
So we've got our hot plates here. And what we want to do is get you turning some oat cakes in a minute. And machine up and down, drop them in rows of 3.
Turning some oat cakes.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm
We'll
getting.
get you turning some oat cakes. That's taking off. We'll get you turning. People say, oh, you're mass produced. It's still handmade.
Handmade. What? I'm going to show my ignorance here.
Yeah.
What are they made out of?
Flour, oatmeal, water. Basically, like porridge. Like porridge, oats, like recipe.
Night shifts as well. That's the oat cake mix.
Yeah. I'm used to it, so I don't know. Still a long time. The buzzer goes down.
Turn over.
And the buzzer goes down while and the stuff together.
Okay. How's that?
Alright, don't forget these ones. Keep moving. You want me fast? You want me quick?
Ah, right, yeah. Too slow, wasn't it?
I'm not saying anything.
Is this better?
Yeah.
Perfect. Apart from that one.
Yeah, apart from that one. We'll take that out of the way. Seal, put through metal detector.
Bag them up here.
Yeah, then you bag them up. Into the trees.
There we go.
And there we go.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week,
Yeah,
churning oatcakes.
yeah. We're lucky if we switch the gas burners off
Non-stop.
non-stop. And then we've also got the shop in Biddle as well, that's running 7 days a week. Well, not 24 hours, just like 7 till 3.
Well, thank you very much for giving me a guided tour.
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you for the kind hospitality.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Alex Povey, Leak TV,
Thank you very much.
put it there. Thank you. Well, I really enjoyed that. And I've got myself a couple of packs of oatcakes. Jimmy Lockett, Leak TV, Povey's Oatcakes, Stoke-on-Trent, signing out.